Welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching us how to walk through this design. Yes, we'll be going on how to design this design from scratch. So I'm going to walk us through on how I started the background. So I manipulated the background to it may look simple with PSCC touch. PSCC touch, yeah. Alright, so is it. So this is the background, and I blurred the background. I blurred it. Yes, if you don't have PSCC touch, I'm going to be sending the background to Rust blood, so you don't need to just stress yourself. I just want us to walk us through the process. So we are going to begin from scratch. From scratch. Every resources will be dropped in the description link. So let's walk through from our background. Okay, let's start from scratch. Let's import our background. It's going to be a static one. Yes. Let's delete this. So let's import the image, the design we are kind of replicating. So this is it. Okay, okay, okay. Wow. So let's just be fast with this. So for purpose of replication to make it fast. So the font I used is Montserrat. So we have House of Fire International Ministry. House of Fire Ministry. Fire. Alright, Montserrat regular. Okay, Montserrat medium. I guess that's what I used. I think I bought it. Yeah, I bought it. I think I used the font size of 18. Okay. Okay, so to be snappy, let's just, I don't want us to go that way. Going that way will make it, we are going to elongation. Let's just first work on our grid to know what we are doing. So this 7. Let me give this 93, right? So we have the name here. Let's try and get the logo. Yes, just you can try to use any custom logo. Well, can I still get you have to get this right? So let's check for this logo. Okay, let's use this, even though this is not what I used, but this is okay. Yes. Alright, so just going to remove the background. I'm going to remove the black. Just increase the tolerance. Let's give it 25. Oh, my phone is lagging. Yes, 25. So we change the color to white. Let's change it to white. Yes. So you reduce it. It fits. It's that logo. We are reducing it. It fits with the logo. Let's just put this up somewhere. Let's take this up. So we're working with our grid. Alright. I think it's okay now. So let's try and align them together. Let's align it. Okay. Please, you can, let's increase the size of this font. 18 is cool. 18 is cool. It's the logo. That's not the main passage I want to see. Let me see. Okay, I feel like increasing it a bit. Let's give it 20. Let's give this just increase it by 1. Alright, let's just this. Then let's center align them. Cool, we are good to go. So let's try and bring this image in. We are going to be bringing the image in, and in the next video I'm going to share on Rush how we can blend image with background. So this is the image we'll be using. This is the image. So you can see when I just bring this image, it's going to blend with the background straight away without any kind of manipulation or creating a dark shadow, you can see that has blended with the background, and it will blend with it. And the app I use is Spaces Touch. So in recent time I'll create a video on that. Yes. So just stay tuned to my YouTube channel. So this is the image you'll be using. Let me import what that thing are we needing. Okay. This SWAT test effect, I have it. I'm going to be sending also along. So alright, yeah, this is it. Yeah, we have the SWAT test effect. So I'm going to be working on the color wish the hue. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Something like this, yeah, accurate. So we have this. So as I said earlier, our test effects. Our test is Montserrat. Everything the test I use is Montserrat family. So just put this here. Just let's center line this. So we come again, we copy this and we write night of encounter. Night of encounter. You can make this, yes, increase it. Night of encounter. Let's reduce this just by one. So you copy this again and we get red presents, and I'm going to give this a regular font. We don't want it to be bold, just light. Let's give it light. So it's going to be coming up here. Let's increase the spacing. Let's just give it 10. Let's give it 15. Okay. If you're going to put them on the same line, let's make sure they are aligning with each other. So it looks like they are aligning. Okay. Like, let me follow what I did here. Let me reduce this here. This is where it comes from. Let me reduce this to 15. This just presents. Yeah. So let's align them together to the middle. Alright, so let's go ahead with our SWA, and before that, featuring copy. We have, oh sorry, featuring word prayer and prophecy. Featuring featuring I think it's in word prayer and oh sorry, prophecy. Oh wait, it's not with a foot stop. So I'm be working on step by step. Yes, I will not rush this. Where's this stuff? Oh Jesus! Okay, I just want to follow. So this is it here. So this is it here. So if you notice, I did something. Let me bring this to the front. It's kind of coffee. Yes. So just increase the curve by one. Wow, 9 minutes. Okay, still moving. Just by one. Yeah. So let's bring this to the middle. We're ready to start work. Let me just make sure I do something not too big. Yeah, we are good to go. We are good to go. So you are going with this. Let me lock it. Yeah. And this also bring it up. Let me increase it a bit. So it's looking like this. So the next thing we bring in our image. I'm trying to be fast. Image. So anticipate the tutorial on how I did this with PSC Touch. I did this with PSC Touch. So we'll have something like this. So we're gonna have something just like this. So we'll have something like this. Let me center align it. Oh, there's space here than yeah. Okay. So lock to remember to lock your layers as to avoid it moving up and down. So the next thing you're going to be doing, be creating a rectangle that's going to contain the time, the location, and the date. So let's okay. mm, let's work on this 94. So let's make this 6 also. So as I said earlier, work with your grid, which is important. It's important to work with the grid. Just move it up all together. Yeah, I'll be locking everything. Everything should be locked. Everything should be locked. So center line this. Now we'll go ahead with the same month serums and this one for our time. This night of encounter, we input our time, and that's 9 p.m. We're going to be 9 p.m. daily. 9 p.m. daily. Let's give it 22. 22. I'll be doing kind of. So we'll make the daily natural lights. We'll put everything and the color. Pick the color from the background. Yes, just come here to this color. Just click on the plus icon. Click on this pointer and you just select it. Okay, you are cool with this. So I'll bring it here. Yeah, I'll leave it like this. So copy again. We'll come with the date. That's 20. Let's just put a random date, 16th to 28th. Oh, sorry, February 2025. Bring this also here. See that I'm making out something. So we are going to work on this also. Make the date 16 to 20. We make it medium. Medium, yeah. So we'll copy again. House of Fire Auditorium, Ghana. So let me check this and House of Fire Auditorium, Ghana. So this also we are cool with it. So I'm going to edit that again. So House of Auditorium will give it the medium. We are good to go. Yes, it's time to work on our alignments now and make them all align. So I'll be working with this. Work on this. Work on this. Okay. Yeah. I think this is okay. I think this is awesome. Yeah. So let me try and check the center alignment. Not at all. Not at all. Yes, we are done with that. So the last thing before we wrap this up. So the same. Copy this. So let's lock the remaining folder not to lose anything. So everything has been locked. So Pastor will be 10 year as the host. So this will be white. The same way we did for this, I'm going to the pastor will be Montserrat regular. So we can see using yes, not more than a font. You can use a family font, but don't use like you using Poppins, Vertigo, Nevax, Montserrat in the design. No, it is out of it. So let's find a okay. It is out of it. Just find you can use at most three different fonts just and you can just use a particular font family. Your design will be okay. So I'll copy this Pastor Emmanuel Aqua Aqua guest. So this is the guest. So same thing now we do for this. Yeah, so we're going to change the alignment here. Yes. Consider the name here is longer than this, so you have it like this. Just kind of shift this image to make everything look balanced over there. Okay, let's make it like this for everything to contain it well. We can leave this like this. So let's check the alignment. Yes, in everything you do, ensure alignment to make sure this alignment is key. Make sure you always align your work, and that's the essence of the grid. So I think we are done with the flyer. So this is awesome. So just and delete this. So just save this as project. You can save it as project, but I'm not saving it. I've done it before. So save it as Ultra and PNG to be able to get the best quality and save together. So let's wait for it to save. So save image shape. So let's head on to Snapseed. I'll be using Snapseed to edit this. I use Snapseed to edit my designs a lot. Yes. So yes, this is it. So I'll just be going to a simple edit, not to tamper with the background. So you can check with this and you can see these are my own edit presets, yes, for different flyers. So you can check these presets, default presets by Snapseed, or let's just try something. So you go head on to details, structure, you give it 50. Let's see the difference. This is the before, this is the after. So come up to sharpen, yes, sharpen it. If you sharpen it too much, you see your text are becoming kind of crispy, but it's too much. So let's make it 25. 25 is okay. So this is our before, this is our after. So I would love to, I don't want to touch the background. What can I work? Let me work on the white balance. Just wow, this okay. So I'll just give it to make the image look kind of realistic plus theory. So this before, this after, this before, this after. So you can just save, just save. You can just save it as a photo. That's it. And you view it. So thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thanks.